Hey y'all, this is Boone from Mannery Farms, and today we've got a little dab of hay to bale. I thought I'd bring you guys along. It's starting to get kind of dark in the east here, so we're kind of against the clock, looks like. Just a little 5-acre patch or something, but baling it for a guy. And already got the tractor fueled up and stuff, so I'm just gonna head over there now, and hopefully everything goes pretty good. You can kind of see it's getting kind of dark over there, so we're gonna over there in this 6120 with 459, and I'll show you guys when we get there. You can see it's getting dark over there, so I'm kind of in a rush kind of deal. This is our our alfalfa. It's looking pretty good. Coming back, we kind of got it cut late because the rain and stuff. But and this week looks like there's only gonna be one good day to cut hay. But I don't know. It's the weirdest weather I've ever seen. It's middle of July, or it's gonna be. It just rains every other day at least. But we're headed over here to the field where we got to bale this hay. So we'll. I'll just show you guys when we get there, and we'll let the pickup down and get started on it. Hopefully the guy's not there to watch me the whole time. I really hate that. So I'm just heading over here now. Miller's got this deal where it'll get the hay like shoved up in there like that. And I've heard several different things of why it does that. Maybe the belts aren't worn enough, the hay's too dry, but I thought I'd show you guys and see if you guys knew anything about it on here. So comment down below if you know what that's from, and I'd appreciate it. But I'll see you guys when we get to the field. Here we are, this little patch right here. I'm gonna let the pickup down and get to baling. Gonna reset the bale counter, and then everything should be good to go. I got the first one to bale right now. I have a kicker hooked up, so I don't have to worry about backing up or anything. Feel the tailgate shut. Gate closed. Back to it. This baler has really been trouble-free for us, and I say that probably watered up while I'm talking right now, but it was a shed-kept baler, always been taken care of, really nice. So I'm really haven't had much trouble with it at all. So I'm pretty impressed with it. For a 4x5 baler, I didn't really ever know. I didn't really know what to expect, but it's been all right. I didn't realize my face was so dirty. Got another one wrapping up right here. Numero 3. Keep her going. Everything's still going pretty good here, but just kicked out number 12 on 5 acres, so we're making about 1.2. Wait, no. Wait. Making over 2 bales an acre. We're not even done yet, so final estimate, I don't know yet. We're getting there. We got her baled up here, made 22 bales and 1 little bale. So had a little wet spot in it right here. It didn't get stuck or nothing though. So had a pretty good, non-eventful deal. 459 did good. When the hay was thicker, nothing bothered it really. Being used to a 4x6 baler, these bales look so small, but they're really just like, like 3 or 4 inches smaller. We usually bale like 64 or 63-inch bales. But got it all baled up here, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.